In Topview Canvas, is more than just a generation tool. You can brainstorm with it, build stories together, act it out, and turn ideas directly into cinematic videos. For example,
Control basic magic. You all guess, how long can she last? This is impossible.
Today, we are going to look at the Topview AI Canvas feature. Let's get started. On the Topview homepage, you can find the Canvas button both in the center and on the left side menu. Once you click the Canvas button, you will land on a new page. Click the Start Creating button. This brings you to the Topview Canvas dashboard. On this dashboard, you will see several options such as text to image, image edit, and omni-reference to video. On the right side, you can also try pre-made templates like animated shorts, brand stories, or AI microfilms. Alternatively, you can type your prompt manually. Before typing, select your preferred model such as ChatGPT, Claude Opus 4.7, or Gemini. Once selected, type your prompt in the text box and click Send Message. The AI will process your prompt and start brainstorming. First, it will provide a story direction. If you are satisfied with it, simply type Approve. Next, it will provide a visual style. If you like it, type OK. The AI will then generate style cards, which will appear on your dashboard along with a generated image so you can see how it will actually look. If you don't like the style, you can click Re-edit. Here you can modify the prompt, change the AI model used to generate the image, and select the resolution and aspect ratio. For now, we will approve it and continue to the next step. The AI will generate an assets plan. If you are okay with it, type OK. Give it a little bit of time to think. Afterward, all the characters and assets needed for the video will appear on your canvas. Give the system a moment to generate the images. Once finished, you can review the generated characters, assets, and background environments. If you don't like a particular asset, you can click Re-edit to modify its prompt. For example, if I want to change the character's jacket, I can type bright orange, select an image model, choose the resolution and aspect ratio, and hit Generate. The AI will generate a new character style based on my request. As you can see, our new character has been generated with the required changes. Now that we have finalized our assets, we will continue to create our scene script. Once we confirm the characters, the AI will create the scenes one by one. You will see the scenes start appearing on the dashboard. Review the scene descriptions and then click Preview Storyboard to see the individual shots that will be generated. Once you approve, click Generate. The AI will generate images for all the shots that will be included in the video. You can select them and modify them using the Re-edit or Remix tools. Once finalized, hit Generate Video. Here you can adjust the prompt, change the reference image, or switch the video generation model. You can also change the quality. We will select 1080p for now, as well as the duration and aspect ratio. Hit Generate. It will take some time to generate the video. Once it is ready, you can play it to verify if it meets your needs. From here, you can upscale it, capture a frame, download it, or add it to the timeline. We will click Add to Timeline. Now, we will repeat this process for all the other scenes. We verify the scene description, click Preview Storyboard, review the generated shots, and hit Generate. After generating the images, we verify them and click Generate Video. Doing this for all scenes on the canvas saves time compared to generating them one by one. Once all our scenes are generated on the storyboard, we might want to make adjustments. For instance, to change the starting scene, select the video and click Re-edit. I will type a prompt asking to add a cinematic yellow lightning effect to make it look more dramatic, and hit Generate. As you can see, the effect has been successfully added. Once we approve the videos, we select them and add them to the timeline one by one. This combines all the scenes into our final video. Finally, verify the sequence on the timeline and click the Export or Download button. Here is the final video.
You have a rare gear, kid. Let's teach you to run towards something.
As you can see, the result is pretty good. By spending more time customizing the prompts, you can achieve even better quality. For this demonstration, I kept the prompts relatively basic, but you can refine them to get the best possible output. To wrap this up, let's quickly compare this Canvas workflow to traditional prompt-only AI video generation. Normally, AI video feels like a guessing game. You type a prompt into a text box, hit generate, and cross your fingers. If the AI hallucinates, loses character consistency, or messes up the lighting, you have to throw the whole clip away and start over. It burns your time and wastes your credits. But Topview Canvas completely changes the game. By moving to a storyboard-first approach on an infinite canvas, you get to lock in your characters, framing, and visual style before a single frame of video is ever animated. This step-by-step visual control is exactly why storyboard first generation can improve the success rate of AI video output so dramatically. You aren't just guessing with prompts anymore, you are actually directing your film.